Hey guys, hope you're all doing great. Today we are going to be talking all about skincare. Be a beginner or somebody who already does something basic to your skin. This guide will surely be helpful to everybody out there. Remember, skincare is gender neutral and anybody can try it. Always remember to start off small and gradually build your routine as it suits your skin type. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's break this into 5 steps. Step 1 is cleansing your face. Wear makeup or not, cleansing your face is very essential. You have to get rid of all the dust and pollutants that might be on your face throughout the day. There are many different ways to cleanse your skin. There are cleansing oils, cleansing balms, face wash, and if you're wearing makeup, then a makeup remover is more ideal than compared to any sort of makeup wipes. You can also use cleansing milk and micellar water to get rid of your makeup. Cleansing not only removes dust and pollutant from your face, it also makes sure that whatever you're putting on next goes properly and deeply into the skin, making sure you get all the benefits required. Step 2. Treat your skin. There are many different ways you can treat your skin. You can use homemade face masks, store-bought face masks, or even you can DIY some face masks that suit your skin type to treat and nourish your skin. Using the proper face mask can help you with a good, healthy and glowing skin. You can also use face masks to target particular skin issues and treat them. Step 3. Toning your skin. Toners are effective at balancing the skin's pH level. Toning helps to calm and balance the skin and prepare it for the further steps. It also helps to remove any last traces of dirt left after cleansing and/or exfoliating. Step 4. Nourish your skin. Nourishing can be done in many different ways. Serums are the most common one. Serums can be expensive, but when put into your routine, it helps to provide a boost of all the nutrients that your skin needs and also helps to revitalize it very fastly. Serums are sort of like when you use vitamins when you're not able to get it properly through food. It is small, effective, and fast, so nourishing is very important. You can use niacinamide serums, vitamin C serums. Adding the proper kind of serums into your routine can make a huge difference in a very short amount of time. Step 5. Hydrate your skin. If your skin is dehydrated, it can appear dull, flaky, and dry. Hydrated skin is smooth, radiant, and has an even skin tone. And for this, you can use moisturizer. Many people with oily skin tends to skip moisturizer as they feel that it makes their skin more oily, but this is absolutely false. When there is no external hydration for your skin tends to produce more oil to compensate the loss. Thus, your skin starts appearing more oily. So start using a moisturizer to notice a huge difference in a very short time. If you have oily or acne prone skin, you should try looking at some light moisturizer that helps to hydrate your skin but not making it too oily. If you have combination to dry skin, you can use a thick moisturizer but not too heavy. While choosing a moisturizer, make sure it is alcohol free and if possible fragrance free as well. Now for a bonus step, SPF. Sunscreen is extremely important. I cannot stress this enough. Wear your sunscreen every single day. There are mainly two types of sunscreen, physical sunscreen and chemical sunscreen. These helps to prevent the UV rays from entering your skin and damaging it further. It is very important to protect the outer layer of your skin protected from the sun or the UV rays because UV rays can cause sunburn and too much of its exposure can change your skin texture. It can cause your skin to age prematurely and can even lead to skin cancer. The easiest way to prevent all this is just by using a sunscreen, so do not forget your sunscreen. And that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. I hope you all enjoyed this new format of videos. And do let me know if you want to see elaborate and in detail videos about all these particular steps. I'll be making them as soon as possible. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you all later. Take care. Bye.